Hello, Melissa here. I am doing a flip through of a journal I created using Artymaze Butterflies in Blue. It is a soft cover journal, fabric, and I used manila file folder. The closure is pearl button and sari silk. I have gauze flowers on the end and a metal medallion with pieces of crochet and burlap and lace. It is just one signature, a small paper doily pocket backed with baking paper, just to make it a little more sturdy. And journaling card. This is from one of her other kits, turned into a little notebook with some tea-stained paper. And upside down pocket. Small journaling spot. A little bit of a collage here. And it gets tucked up in. This is an envelope that I used for a cover, and attached glued paper onto an envelope, and that is a pocket with one of the journaling cards and tabs. And just a security envelope. And that opens up, and small tuck. And the envelope opens up, and one of her background papers and turned into a tag and sewn all the way around. This is just seam binding, attaching the envelope. Small little tuck. This is also a small tuck. Double belly band. One of the envelopes turned into a journaling spot. And let's see, we have another little notebook. Just, again, tea-stained paper. Oops. It just slips in there. Little piece of pattern vellum. Oh, sorry about the dog. He barks at noises we can't hear. An old, oh, for heaven's sakes, Shakespeare, I believe, page. I'll use washi tape to strengthen it. Her kit is absolutely gorgeous. Small tag. This is wallpaper turned into a pocket. And lace tuck. And this is a small bit of security envelope turned into a little tuck spot using her butterfly and just bits of her ephemera and her tag. A little bit of lace on the edge there. And a piece of cockle finish typing paper, and one of the labels turned into a tiny little pocket. And this was the envelope. Sorry. Uh-oh. There we go. Just a little bit tight in there. Her digital turned into a little journaling spot, an envelope. It's paper clipped. The little tickets. Another little envelope and journaling spot. Oh, this one's a little book. Pocket made into a Donnelly flip. Some collage tags using her little pieces of her kit. And this one is a pocket collage tag. The wrong side. It's a security envelope. There we go. Another little security envelope turned into a small pocket. And some more of the tags. There we go. A little bit of lace for a tuck spot, one of the envelopes, and journaling card. A little fabric flip that I made for last month for a swap that we had for our group. Studio 28E. It's for the 2020 swap project. And more of her paper. Beautiful, beautiful digitals. Another one of the envelopes, and printed out the papers a couple different sizes. And this was another project, just a flip for Studio 28E. I thought went well with the kit. And the other side of that Shakespeare page, and this book belongs to, and these I believe are Tracy Fox labels. And this is an actual envelope from 1935. And just tucked a picture in there. And just a digital postcard, a little bit of collage on there with some of Andrea's paper. And these numbers are in her kit also. And this is the back of the signature, another security envelope pocket tuck. And a little tag. And another tag in the back. A little bit of collage. And another one of her journaling cards turned into kind of a tuck spot, and a little bit of collage on her envelope. All right, there you have it. And digital kit again was Butterflies in Blue by Andrea Allen from Artymaze. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.